Organizations have been concerned with business risks that can threaten productivity and profitability. Internal policies, external regulation, and legislation, such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and personal data legislation, demand risk mitigation and increased security, in addition to issues of compliance, hacking, and fraud. Network and IT departments typically have security built into their programs, but printing is not often a part of the program. There are several potential security breaches in printing, whereby printing is probably the most vulnerable part of the IT infrastructure. But luckily, we have the ultimate solution to bring printing in line with Ubiquitech's HSPM print solution running on IBM Enterprise Linux Server. People forget their potentially confidential printouts in the printer, print to the wrong printer, or most commonly, print by accident. A well-known exercise at some offices is often referred to as print and sprint. When you hit the print button, you have to run to the printer, wherever it may be, to retrieve your printouts before anyone else does. Pull printing means ensuring that your printouts only get to you. You simply go to a printer of your choice and identify yourself, usually with an ID card or an access code. If printed confidential material shows up at unfortunate places, it is, of course, logged as to who printed what and when. Often, printing directly from workstations or your mobile device is not secured. Automatically generated nightly print jobs can also be unsecure. The solution to having vulnerable print jobs on the network, the server, and/or the printer itself is our highly secured pull printing TLS encryption. TLS encryption is used when printing from a workstation or mobile device. Furthermore, everything on the server and printer is encrypted to ensure security compliance. We're not printing to an unsecure public cloud somewhere in the world. Everything goes directly to the secure server. We avoid the risk of unauthorized access to data before, during, and after it's being printed. Obsolete printers leaving the premises will no longer pose as a risk, as they will no longer hold non-encrypted data. For extra security, strong personal encryption all the way from workstation to printer is offered by using passphrases, a personal key chosen or given to the user. In case of an interruption of power, or the user leaves for an important meeting, or the printer breaks down in the middle of a printing, what happens to the rest of your confidential print? Ubiquitech Smart Card solution for HSPM is the solution. When removing your smart card, Ubiquitech HSPM immediately stops printing and removes everything from the hard drive and memory on the printer, so other people don't have access to your confidential documents. Furthermore, encryption is known to be switched off by the administrator because of low performance caused by a massive print load and the fact that encryption uses up a lot of computer resources, which eventually will cause low performance for all IT processes. The IBM Enterprise Linux Server offers extension with IBM Crypto Express hardware encryption that takes the overload from the CPU and encrypts everything, preventing any performance issues caused by the encryption, even metadata following print jobs. Ubiquitech HSPM print solutions on IBM Enterprise Linux Server is probably the only completely secure print solution. Contact us at sales@ubiquitech.com today. Our team of reliable experts will work to get the ultimate print security solution for your system.